Alrighty, folks. Graverly came in for a no start. First thing I did, that's no bueno right there, my friends. She's locked up. So I popped the plugs out. Let's get the borescope and look in there and see what we see. Let's take a gander. Yeah, you're not supposed to see the connector rods through this hole. One of them pistons said to the other one, ain't enough oil in here for the both of us. I'm gonna head out. There's your problem. That motor is toasted. We'll see y'all on the next episode. Y'all keep wrenching.